Kerala cuisine is famous for its careful use of aromatic spices. This chicken curry is highly flavorful and tastes similar to the one served in the hotels in Kerala. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Let's get started. Take 500 grams of chicken pieces in a bowl. Marinate it with half a teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Marinate this for at least half an hour. Meanwhile, finely slice 2 onions and roughly chop 1 tomato and green chilli. Now heat up 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and fry the chicken pieces each side for 3 minutes or until they get a beautiful sear. We can see that the chicken has a beautiful sear to it. Now transfer it to a separate plate. The chicken would be about 25% cooked now. Now in the same pan add 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 clove, 1 bay leaf, 1 cardamom and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Once the fennel seeds begin to crackle, add in the split green chilli and the onions. Add in a bunch of curry leaves to it and saute till the onions are translucent. Once the onions are translucent like this, add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now continue to saute till the onions are golden brown. Once the onions are golden like this, add in the chopped tomatoes. Saute till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are soft and mushy, add in a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala or store-bought chicken masala. Saute this for half a minute and add in the fried chicken pieces. Now combine everything well for a minute. Now that it is well combined, we can add 1.5 cups of water to this. This would yield a thicker gravy. Adjust water as per your preference. Now cover and cook this for 10 minutes, stirring in between on medium flame. It's been 10 minutes. Now add in half a teaspoon of salt and half more teaspoon of garam masala, as this would bring out the flavors of garam masala. Now cook for 10 more minutes, stirring in between. It's been 10 minutes and we can see that the chicken is well cooked. Now we can serve this as such as well, but today we are going to add in coconut milk as they would do at restaurants. So to this I am adding 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Combine everything well and simmer it for 2 minutes. After adding coconut milk, check for salt once and adjust the salt accordingly. Now heat up a teaspoon of coconut oil in a tempering pan. Once the oil is hot, add in some chopped shallots and a bunch of curry leaves. Once the shallots are golden, pour the tempering over the chicken curry. Add in quarter teaspoon of pepper powder and turn off the flame. This chicken curry goes really well with rice, appam and idiyappam. Hope you found this video useful. Do try this recipe and share your feedback. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.